Welcome on my YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Ravi Keshri. Today I am discussing about the nervous system. The nervous system. What is the nervous system? Nervous system, it is made up of the neurons. It is made up of the nerve cells, and the nerve cells, it is a network of nerve cells and fibers which transmit the nerve impulses between the parts of the body. Between the parts of the body, it means it takes the impulses from the skin and toward the central nervous system, from the eye towards the central nervous system, from towards the heart, from the central nervous system towards from the heart towards the central nervous system. It controls everything in our body, just like the breathing, our thinking, our feeling, our thought, our walking. We walk with the help of, by the control of the central nervous system. We breathe, हम लोग सांस लेते हैं, वो भी सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम की हेल्प से ही ब्रीदिंग करते हैं, वॉकिंग करते हैं, थिंकिंग करते हैं एंड फीलिंग करते हैं। मुझे प्यार हो गया, वो भी फीलिंग जो होता है वो कंट्रोल कौन करता है? नर्वस सिस्टम कंट्रोल करता है। हार्ट हमारा फास्ट चल रहा है, हार्ट धीमा चल रहा है, रेस्पिरेशन रेट तेज हो गया, टैकीकार्डिया हो गया, हमें किसी से प्यार हो गया, ये नर्वस सिस्टम ही तो है जो कंट्रोल करता है। एंड इट इज ए नेटवर्क ऑफ नर्व सेल्स एंड फाइबर विच ट्रांसमिट द नर्व इम्पल्स बिटवीन द parts of the body, and it controls everything including the breathing, walking and thinking and feeling. Now the nervous system, it is divided into the two things, that is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. And the central nervous system, it includes the brain and spinal cord, and and the peripheral nervous system, it divided into the two things, the autonomic nervous system and the somatic nervous system. The somatic nervous system, it controls the muscle movement. And autonomic nervous system, it is divided into the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic, it is related with the vagus nerve, and the parasympathetic this sympathetic autonomic nervous system has the different action on different organ. I will describe the autonomic nervous system in my next YouTube video. The sympathetic, it means the sympathy, it increases the heart rate, and the parasympathetic, it decreases the heart rate, that is the vagal action, that is the bradycardia. And the autonomic nervous system, it controls the body function, involuntary body function. There are two types of function in our body. One is the voluntary function and second is the involuntary function. The voluntary function and the involuntary function, just like the heart, the respiration, these are the involuntary functions, and some are the voluntary, just like the muscle movement. We move your arm, the flexion of the arm, this is the voluntary movement. And the autonomic nervous system, it controls the involuntary bodily function and also regulates the different glands, glandular secretion, just like the parotid gland, the submandibular gland, the sublingual gland. And in the brain, there are the three parts of the brain. One is the forebrain, second is the midbrain, and third is the hindbrain. The forebrain, it has two parts. One is the cerebrum and second is the diencephalon. In the hindbrain, the three things, the pons, the medulla oblongata and the cerebellum. The pons, medulla oblongata and the cerebellum. The cerebrum is different thing and the cerebellum is different thing. The cerebrum is made up of the two cerebral hemisphere. The two cerebral hemisphere and the two cerebral hemisphere are connected by the corpus callosum. Now the medulla oblongata, it is continuous with the spinal cord. Suppose this is the brain and this is the spinal cord. In our body, we consider this is the whole of the brain and this is the spinal cord. The medulla oblongata continues as the spinal cord and it is a part of the hind brain. Now the brain stem. Next time is brain stem. What is brain stem? It includes the three things, the midbrain, the pons and the medulla oblongata. It includes the three things, that is called the brain stem. This is the all about the nervous system. In my next video, I will discuss the neuron, the structure of the neuron and the different structures and of the neurons. This is all about the nervous system. Please share, like and subscribe my YouTube video. Thank you.